What's cooking, everyone? Today we are going to do a noodle shootout. So without further ado, welcome to
Noodles Kitchen!
Okay, welcome to our noodle shootout. So we have A, B, and C. And without further ado, let's take A first. Okay, so everyone, you can try A. Cheers! 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 So, yeah, it's kind of sweet and it's slightly spicy, huh? Yeah. It's like lightly spicy, a little bit sweet. Did I cook it right? Like, not too
This
salty?
taste is so familiar!
This smells...
From the Philippines?
No, let's see what we do.
Sweet, spicy.
You like it?
I like it. I feel like I'm remembering my childhood.
Childhood! Childhood!
Not so big, it's not so small. I like it.
The noodles around here, huh? Oh yeah, it's like that. The only difference in noodles.
Plates.
It's Yep. The chili smell is definitely very familiar.
Yeah.
Alright, cheers.
I'm guessing this without eating it. I think this is Indomie. Indomie goreng.
You know what? I have a lot of friends from different countries that likes Indomie.
Yes.
Yeah, they know Indomie.
Yeah, so I'm going home and my friends asked me to carry Noodle for them. Yeah, true.
So all the noodles as of now is all spicy. Alright.
But the level is getting higher.
Oh,
I
okay.
think so.
Ready for the C? Definitely. Go. Cheers. Oh, I can smell. Oh yeah, wow.
Korean,
Yeah, that's
Korean,
spicy.
Korean.
Yeah, it is spicy. This slightly tastes like tteokbokki though. The tteokbokki Chinese double.
It's a Korean rice cakes.
Oh.
Those like cylindrical ones. They taste slightly like bubble tea.
Oh, so that means it's Korean.
That's definitely Korean and definitely very spicy. Look at that.
Yeah. Oh, you're ready for it?
Ooh, this is spicy.
Spicy. I hope that that's what you do. That's spicy.
I feel like we're doing a singing challenge right now.
Just describe the taste.
This describes the taste. Look at that sweat. Okay.
Ready for the third one? Yeah, over there.
The after one is really
Spicy. We should have put
Oh, we'll
how sure you make
we'll leave some for the cameraman.
Nope.
Yeah, she will take it.
That's what I'm gonna say.
Yeah. Alright. Cheers.
Cheers.
I can say.
Oh, you can
Okay,
feel like
similar.
the tongue.
I knew
This
this
is
was
also
more spicy than this.
another Korean.
I knew this was more spicy than that. I'm done.
The noodle is really good though.
Oh my god.
Yes.
I just wish they don't make it too spicy. But the
Yeah.
noodles are actually really, really
It's
good.
really sweating.
Guys,
Yeah.
we should drink milk. Really. The house.
But they're good. But
Yeah.
spicy.
I think the noodles of this.
Well, if you want to exercise, eat this. There you go. Look at that.
Setting so free.
Yeah, I think the noodles of this is pretty good.
Yeah.
And I left this like over too. But it's not salty. Yeah.
This definitely is the best noodle though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Someone sweaty.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so let's go for Chloe first.
What do I like the most? Definitely letter A. I feel like it's from Philippines. And it's like the not so spicy. So level 1 spiciness. Second is this one.
What do you think that is?
Indomie.
The first one. What do you think that is?
Pancit Canton. I like this one too. A bit spicy though, but I can still like tolerate the level of spiciness. C,
What do you think that is?
bit spicy. I feel like it's samyang, like the Korean noodles. I wasn't able to finish it because I cannot tolerate
Buddha is the
spiciness
savior.
anymore. And yeah, the last one is letter D.
Oh, so it's like
Yeah.
1, 2.
So for me, like I rank it according to the level of spiciness.
How about Buddha?
Well, definitely Indomie. Well, anyway, the letter B I think is the best. It's the most reminiscent of the taste. Best comfort food, I think. The second one, I actually really like the noodles for letter D, but the letter D, the spice, it's way spicy. I think if you tone down the spice a little bit, it'll be good. Followed by letter A. And then the worst ones for me is actually the letter C. Yeah.
Well, for me, I don't know so much about noodles, but I know so much about Indomie. So I think this is Indomie. And this is my number one. And the reason why it's my number one is because I can tolerate the spicy noodle, and also because it has the spice is rich, so I can taste like a my second one would be, I think it would be this. I like the noodles because they're not too soft and not too hard. So I like the texture of it. But the spiciness,
That is actually surprising because I overdo it.
yeah. So I really like it. Spicy, but I really like it.
Pour some milk in it.
Yeah, Yeah, so this is my number one, number two. And I think this, I don't know what this, I think it's Korean. I don't know. For some reason I think Korean is not spicy, so everything there is spicy. Now will be my number three.
For me, it doesn't matter.
You love food.
But for me, actually, I like that one, A. But I've been growing love food since I know it already. So for me, they are equal. Because I miss A so much, and B was introduced to me and I love it. I both love them. A and B are equal. And then D has good spice, noodles, and flavor. So my second pick was D. C is, like I always complain, it's all spice. The noodles are good, but for me it lacks flavor. Yeah, but I like it. I grew up eating instant noodles with or without soup. So maybe next time we should try it.
Yeah.
So here's if you like that, comment down below. Alright, so let's reveal. Most of us got it correct. Ready? 1, 2, open.
What?
I knew this was Korean.
Okay, so
Alright.
what's the difference?
So here, this is a sweet and spicy pancit canton from the Philippines. This one is original Indomie from Indonesia. And you are right, Samyang from Korea. And Nissin Ramen from Japan.
Oh!
So, okay, that concludes our noodle shootout. See you on the next one.
Thank you for watching.
Like
For watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. And we only have 2 pieces of that.
Finish it.
You're going home.
Thank you, love, for
Recording.
shooting the camera. Now we can eat KFC.